Well, the transition to the summer crops is starting to bite a little bit for us. So we don't have quite as much veg as we normally do. I like to just normally fill this table completely. But anyway, I'll just quickly take you through what we've got. So we've got all these different kale leaves, Brussels sprout leaves, more kale leaves down here. Just a few onions, and we'll just pick those from the store when we need them. Beetroot, first pick of the peppers. I actually picked these because some of them are starting to rot there, just a bit of blossom end rot on the first fruits. And then after that, they're generally fine. Anyway, so we don't normally pick green peppers, but that's just better than wasting them. A couple of nice cauliflowers, lovely red cabbage, pretty nice carrots, loads and loads of courgettes. Last of the French beans for a few weeks. That is a bit of a disappointment to me. I do like to, once I sort of get a crop, I like to kind of carry it on until October time, something like that. But anyway, this year, that's it. They'll have to last us a couple of weeks, those. Probably, I don't know whether that was the last pick of the broad beans. There might be the odd few next week. But quite a few of these little field beans. This year I just left the field beans to actually grow beans rather than harvesting them early like I normally do. Obviously they're a lot smaller than a broad bean, and I think they just taste a little bit stronger, but some people really like them. But the harder work, obviously, there's more shell in there to get beans than with the bigger broad bean. Lovely salad onions, much nicer potatoes than we had last week, a better size. These are probably the smallest still that we'll harvest this year, but they were grown in a very shady spot, but anyway, still quite nice. Loads of strawberries heading for the freezer. That was just the ones I picked yesterday. Gooseberries heading for the freezer. Raspberries for the freezer. Actually, the first pick of ripe peppers. Little tiny yellow ones. First time I've grown these, and I'm hoping that later successions of those, not successions, later harvests of those will be better. Still picking plenty of tomatoes, really happy with the tomato harvest. Just enough cucumbers, kind of slowed down a little bit, cucumbers, because it's been cold again this week. Peas and the salad bases, and as always, I'll just make up those salads so you can see them. And that's it. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.